I'm going to show you how I make my yummy carrot cake cookies. That's right, carrot cake cookies. Super easy, super delicious. Hi, I'm Christina Monty Fisher and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a fun new recipe. It's called carrot cake cookies and it's inspired by the new film Divine Influencer. I love this film. You guys have to check it out. Here's the bottom line of the film that I learned, and it's so true. It's this: true influence is having people follow you because of how you positively affect their lives. And I hope that these recipes I'm sharing with the healthy twist positively affect your lives, your family, your friends, everyone you know. My goal is always to present something healthy, fun, and wonderful. For my carrot cake cookies, I decided to make them gluten-free. You can absolutely use regular gluten flour, but I'm doing a gluten-free flour because I have a lot of friends and family who are gluten-free. So we've got gluten-free flour. I have 2 eggs and 2 egg whites. I've got carrots, of course, raisins, pineapple, yum, walnuts, and then I have some organic sugar and then organic coconut palm sugar. I have coconut shreds, and I'm using coconut oil instead of butter. And then I'm using nutmeg, cinnamon, and some baking powder. All right, we're gonna get to it right now. I'm gonna put the dry ingredients in one bowl and the wet in another, and we're gonna combine them and then bake them at 375 for about 12 minutes. Super easy, super delicious. So for the carrot cake cookies, I'm going to do the wet ingredients with the sugar first. So this is coconut palm sugar, then organic regular sugar, 2 eggs and 2 egg whites, coconut oil instead of butter. Of course, we have carrot, coconut, and pineapple. Stir it all together, and then I will add dry ingredients and then put it on the mixer. Beautiful. So I'm gonna add the raisins. Now I'm going to take the dry ingredients. We have cinnamon, baking powder, nutmeg, gluten-free flour. I'm just gonna mix this quickly. You can mix it by hand. I like to use my mixer. So I've got all my wet ingredients. Then I'm gonna slowly add half of my dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix for probably 1 minute, and then I'll add the other half of the dry ingredients. Okay, so there's half of it. I'm gonna close this, lock it. Just let it mix for like not even 30 seconds until it looks combined. You can also do this by hand, of course. Okay, so I've mixed it for about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna add the other half of my dry ingredients. I'm using gluten-free flour. You can use regular whole wheat flour if you want. I have several nieces that are gluten-free, and I just cook gluten-free for them, and my sister-in-law is gluten-free. So there we go. Okay, so there's the other half of the dry ingredients. We're just gonna mix it for 30 more seconds. This is a great recipe. It makes about 50 cookies. So you'll have plenty to give to friends and family. Hopefully these carrot cake cookies will be divine, just for my favorite movie right now, Divine Influencer. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this, I'm going to get it into the fridge. I'm going to let it chill for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to put it on the cookie sheet and bake it at 375 for about 12 minutes. So we are making my Divine Influencer carrot cake cookies. I'm just got all the cookie dough mixed. I like to make them a little bit flatter. So what I do is I use the mini ice cream scoop to make sure all of the cookies are about the same size and calories, okay? And then I'm gonna go back and I'm just gonna flatten them. You can keep yours nice and round if you want to, that's fine. I can smell the coconut and the pineapple and the carrot. Oh my goodness. And the raisin. Oh, that's so great. It's definitely going to satisfy my craving for carrot cake, which, by the way, is one of my, actually probably is my favorite cake, carrot cake. But put it in the oven at 375 for 13 minutes. We've got some already baking. They're going to go in at 375 for about 12 to 13 minutes. Just keep an eye on them and we'll see you soon. Okay, there we are. And my divine carrot cake cookies are done. At least they should be done. Let's see. Yeah, they're good. So they've been cooking for about 13 minutes. Here they are. Don't they look yummy? They smell really good. I'm so excited. Okay, it's hot. Let me set it down. So I'm making a very quick, simple, fast, and easy vegan frosting. I have vegan cream cheese, vegan butter, a little bit of vanilla, and some powdered sugar. It's so fast, easy, and simple. I'm gonna dump it all into my mixer bowl, and I'm gonna mix it for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I've got vegan cream cheese. This is a double batch of the vegan cream cheese frosting, by the way, because I'm doing a lot of cookies for friends and family. Okay, vegan butter. It's going in, it's going in. A little bit of vanilla. And then I've got 2 cups of powdered sugar. So why am I pointing this at everyone? Hi, yeah, these have ice skates. Anyways, here we go. It's Christmas, it was a gift. Okay, it's all in. Just gonna put it in here for about 1 minute. Let it mix. If you want a thicker cream cheese frosting, just keep adding more powdered sugar and it'll get there. We'll let this go and we'll come right back. Okay, it's looking beautiful, this cream cheese frosting. Oh my goodness. So another minute and it'll be done. We have made my yummy carrot cake cookies inspired by the film Divine Influencer. Hello, you need to make sure you watch that. Anyways, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to frost them. I made a vegan cream cheese frosting. I put it in a piping bag, super easy, and I'm just gonna frost. You could do it with a knife, you could do it any way you want. I just want to do this because I like these little lines. They're so fun and so cute. You could also throw some festive holiday sprinkles on this if you wanted to. Now I'm just going to package them. I didn't frost all of them, so some are not frosted and others are. So the unfrosted ones, I'm just putting at the bottom of this cute little cookie gift box, which you can just get on Amazon, super easy. So I put 6 at the bottom, and then I'm gonna take 6 of the frosted cookies. I'm gonna set those on top. Here they are, super cute. Now what I'm gonna do is, I bought this on Amazon, just clear cellophane bag. You don't have to, you could just wrap a ribbon around this box if you want, but I like a little added extra zhuzh, as they would say. You're just gonna go up. I have a piece of pre-cut ribbon. Just gonna tie the ribbon around it. And then when I bring it over to friends or a neighbor, just looks very, very, very festive. Cute little ribbon. I'll cut the edges. Super cute. And it's kind of on an angle. And there you go. Merry Christmas. I hope you watch Divine Influencer and check out these amazing carrot cake cookies. Lower in calorie than normal and filled with flavor. God bless and have a wonderful Christmas and holiday season.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.